Good evening, guys. Happy late Sunday, early Monday, whenever you're watching this. First and foremost, thank you guys for helping me get to 1,000 subs. I didn't know if I'd ever get this far, and here I am, which is pretty freaking cool. So you guys are pretty cool. Couple quick updates before I get to the giveaway. Let's see here. The seats should be here Tuesday, Wednesday. The brackets should be here the same day, I'm hoping, so I can get those in. Get an unboxing, install, and view a video for you guys like always. I am gonna wrap my headers the next couple weeks, and that will also be a video. I know there's a lot of debate about wrapping headers, but for me it's mostly for heat and sound insulation. Couple more little things I'm gonna do to the interior before that's done, and I can start working on the suspension setup. And of course all that will be filmed and you guys will see all of that come to fruition. All right, so last time I did this, I thought it was a good plan. I simply extracted all my comments from point A to point B, like I said, picked the winner, announced the winner to email me on my email, and me having way too much faith in humanity, thought it was all good to go. It wasn't. The guy within 10 minutes cloned the actual winner and stole his prize, which is a total jerk move to do. But this time what I'm gonna do, the same random number generator to get the appropriate winner. If you're the winner, my Instagram will be below. It's the same as my YouTube channel, BetOnBet757. Go ahead and shoot me a message on there, and then we'll discuss. I'll give you something to say in the comment section of this video. Repeat that, that way I know it's your handle and you talking to me on Instagram. I'll get your information and I'll get that GoPro out to you this week. I'm gonna give it probably 2 days just to make sure there's no weird nonsense going on again. So, Turbo, do you want to help pick a number? And what's surprising, or last 2 weeks, I've only had 38 comments on videos. I've had a fuck ton of views, but not a lot of comments. So you have a 1 in 38 chance right now of winning a GoPro 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, hope you guys can see this all right. 38 entries. And I'm going to simply hit generate. Our number is 2. And number 2 is C. Lemansky. So congrats, dude, you got yourself a GoPro Hero 7 Black. And like I said, go ahead and hit me up on the gram. I'll get your info. And like I said, there's going to be like 2 days before I ship anything out to make sure there's no spammers or douchebags out there cloning accounts and trying to get one over on me again. So yeah, man, congrats on your GoPro 7 Black. And I'm trying to think if I'm gonna pick one up and just mail it myself or just get one off Amazon and ship it to you. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But congrats, dude, on that. And what else is going on? Oh, and lastly, I was so OCD about the button I took it off 2 nights ago. I bonded the shit out of it. I spent probably 3 hours sanding it. It looks so much better. I'll put a picture here somewhere. So that's all for today, guys. I'll have some more installs and unboxings for you this week. And until then, take care, guys. Later.